Welcome back. If you've been trying to find all your products on the Facebook app on PC after the new update, this quick guide will show exactly where to go. Facebook keeps changing the layout, so the option may not be obvious at first, but once you know the path, it's easy to reach. First, open the Facebook app on your computer and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Then look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open your main account menu, where Facebook hides most of the important settings. From there, go into Settings and Privacy. Once that menu opens, click on Activity Log. This is the section where Facebook stores a record of many of your actions, interactions, and account activity. It may seem a little buried, but this is the right place to start. Inside the Activity Log, look for the option called Your Facebook Activity. Click on it, and you'll see different categories related to your account behavior. Now scroll until you find Shops and open that section. After that, enter Products. This is where Facebook keeps the products connected to your activity, including items you viewed, interacted with, or saved through Shops. If you were trying to track down a product you previously checked out, this is the section you need. If you don't see everything right away, take a second to look through the filters and make sure you're inside the correct account. Sometimes the new update changes the menu order, so just follow the same path carefully. Open Facebook app, click your profile photo, go to Settings and Privacy, then Activity Log, then your Facebook activity, then Shops, and finally Products. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can find all your products on Facebook app on PC with the new update. If this helped, make sure to try it on your own account and see how quickly you can access your products again.